setups for today. So yesterday we got going and then we came back. So that's pretty much what transpired. And we did fall short of our support, our resistance that we were looking for, which was 12,486. Okay. And basically what has transpired is we have closed on this level here. You can see this area is quite a bit of resistance here as well as 12,282, and that's pretty much where we closed. You can see we've ended up with a range bar. So range bars basically indicates confusion, big up, big down, and that's pretty much what transpired. You can see there was a previous day's rally, and then we've got big up, big down, big up, well, big down, big up, big down, big up, big, half a down. But anyway, that is clear indication that we are ranging and we are fighting with a level. So the level that we were fighting with was this previous swing high. So the fact that we've closed above there does validate that double bottom for me. Okay, so there's my double bottom. And what I'm looking for is a move like that back to 12755. So we look at the hour, and let's just get rid of the block. If we look at the hour, you'll see down, up, big up, big down. Still big confusion. However, the trend is still up. Okay, we do have an hour trend that is up. We have broken a previous downtrend, which was this one here. Okay, we've broken it. We've come back to retest it. So in my books, we should be looking for longs. This is a trend reversal of the previous downtrend, which was this one here on the hour, and we're now looking for a move to the upside. So the easiest thing to do is to look for that on the 15-minute. As you can see, this was rather a bit of a challenging day if you were trying to get long on this market. But anyway, we did continue in the beginning, and then it was a bit of noise that came through later from Powell, the Fed chair. So there was a bit of noise that came through there. There was good data that came out yesterday. There's some good news around vaccines and good news about potential cures and all sorts of things. But I think the noise around the economy and the length of recovery for the economy was probably what stalled us yesterday. So yeah, so for me, I think I'm still bullish, still looking for longs. You probably, if I just delete all the noise and look at the 15 minutes only, what we're looking for is a break and retest of this area here of 12,344. We can get above there, come back and retest and start forming some higher highs on, or higher lows, sorry, on the 15-minute. That would give me a pretty good entry. Stop area would be just below the swing low, which is somewhere in the region of, it's quite big, 140 points. So yeah, I think that's my view on the DAX at the moment. It does look like it is moving in the right direction. And if you just give me one sec, just quickly have a look at what the futures market is holding right now. And the DAX futures is fairly flat, down 0.23, 12,279. We're hovering at 12,279. So that's pretty much where we closed. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much my view on this at the moment. I do believe that we're still in an upward trend. We should be looking for a move to the upside. The trick right now is we need to get through this level. So we can get through this level of 12,344 up, retest it, and then your first target is going to be this gap close. We didn't quite get it yesterday. And then your second target will be the measured move, which is right the way up there at 12,755 area. I actually just rounded off to 12,750 because of the levels that's here. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and stay safe. We will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.